This is much better here. Subway builds an EV charging oasis so you can recharge. Let's do this, man.
That's fun, eh?
Well, let's do this,
You
man.
charge your car, you get a Subway?
Well, let's do this, man. Mo, can we do this?
This is smart for them.
Forget about it. Your favorite place to grab a sub, or maybe it's the most convenient. It's joining the electric revolution. Subway is teaming up with Gen Z EV Solutions to provide an EV charging oasis of the future so you can charge up and chow down. Restaurants need to look different, don't they, Mo?
Yeah. We talked about this, but like, what happens to the convenience store at a gas station?
Mm-hmm.
Restaurants need to look like this, almost like how they looked in the early days of drive-thru, where you roll up and the person comes on a roller skates.
Oh my God, yeah.
It's kind of like
so
that now.
fun,
Imagine you roll up, plug in, and then everything's taken care of.
They're bringing trays out to you.
Trays are coming, the kids are playing.
Oh,
it's like the drive-in movie theater almost.
Reminds me of the Taco Bell, the futuristic one where it comes in like a tube or something.
Oh yeah, it comes from underground.
Yeah, we were gonna drive there.
Yeah.
But this is even different because just the layout, right? It's long and it lets the car come in, and you have all the different nozzles for all your charging needs. Yeah. I don't know where the actual subs are coming from. I think you still got to get out and walk over to it.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like a building over there.
Subway has grown to become one of the largest fast food chains globally with a mission of helping our guests live balanced lives through a wide range of menu options that allows them to make better choices. As one of the largest franchise chains in the U.S. and globally, Subway is responsible for limiting its environment. Okay, stop. What are you making? I'm getting a whole press release from the president here. God damn, dude.
We make sandwiches and save the world.
They got 37,000 locations. So sure, they are unusually poised to potentially do something about this. Mm-hmm. Subway revealed its plans to partner with Gen Z EV Solutions Tuesday, which is a Miami-based charging infrastructure company, roll out electric vehicle charge stations across the U.S. this year. Starting in 2023, it's going to be called the Subway EV Charge Oasis. Multiple spots, picnic tables, Wi-Fi restrooms, green space, playgrounds installed at these locations. Where are the subs?
They do.
Well, is this just marketing, dude?
No way.
Oh, okay. Our partnership is a win-win for our guests, our franchisees, and our planet, creating dedicated space for drivers to charge their vehicle, enjoy their favorite sandwich. Okay.
So I'm guessing there is a Subway restaurant there.
But somewhere. They didn't include it in the image.
Yeah.
Unless there's another image. Maybe it's over there. Bathrooms. You got to have some bathrooms, some subs, and some
like
charge.
A rest stop.
Let me ask you, if you had to walk into a Subway, and by the time you finish, how long is that taking you?
A charge.
Exactly a charge?
Pretty much, yeah.
That's pretty amazing.
At the current highest available rate, yeah. 350 kilowatt wherever we're going.
Right.
That's about right.
What's a charge? I don't have an EV, so...
Well, it depends. It depends on what you're trying to do. If you're on a road trip, then like in a Tesla, for example, it will figure out exactly what you need and be like, you can go on your way now. Yeah. It doesn't wait for a full charge.
Right, okay.
It'll be like, now you're ready to leave.
Yeah.
So it tries to do the most efficient, quickest path, including charging as a thing that's timed. But on these new 350 kilowatt chargers, you can go from 5 to 80% in like 15 minutes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So it's gotten a lot faster.
Yeah.
Yeah.